What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the video. In this one, we're talking about Mullen again. Huge bullish catalysts have been coming out. We're going to be talking about everything that is going on with Mullen and why this is game-changing for this company for a number of reasons. But before we get into that, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you do not miss out on any of my future videos. But let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So right now, Mullen is trading for 33 cents a share, making a massive run over the past few days. Just to show you the Google Finance chart, over the past 5 days, the stock is up 68%. You know, if you kind of just look at the low to the high, we were up a whole almost 77% over 5 days. Today alone, the stock is up 25%, going up incredible amounts, huge gains being made, and it's because of a ton of different catalysts that just came out in great news. The company right now has a market cap of $562 million, average volume about 195 million. But they just made a deal that is worth $200 million. And they also got another deal that's about $300 million. So this is huge news for this company. Now, this is the market cap after the run-up. Now, the stock, I know, as you probably do know if you're watching this video, has been down pretty bad over the past year. But still, there is bullish outlook and incredible outlook, and right now might be the perfect time to buy. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and everything I say is not financial advice. But with looking at these prices, this seems like a good time to capitalize if you do believe in this company, especially for the long term. So as we saw, the run-up has been insane. On the 5-minute chart, we have passed the 100-day moving average, and we have also passed the 20-day moving average. Now, if we go ahead and if I show you the daily chart, which is something that I like to look at, I like to look at all time frames, especially daily and intradays. We have crossed the 20-day moving average, and we're looking to trade and touch that 100-day moving average. If we can break through that, that is definitely going to be a huge, massive breakthrough. MACD is also looking very solid, volume picking up, a nice gap up that we've seen. This does look very bullish, just looking at the technicals and things like that, especially on a daily chart. And it doesn't seem like the MACD is going to be losing any momentum soon, just looking at the gap in between these two lines. Let's go ahead and talk about what these catalysts are, though, because they are very, very important. First up, Mullen Automotive picks Randy Marion Automotive as first U.S. dealer partner. Pretty big stuff going on. To give you more detail about that, what happened is Mullen Automotive received a purchase order from Randy Marion Automotive Group for 6,000 Class 1 EV cargo vans. This transaction is valued at approximately $200 million, with deliveries commencing the first quarter of 2023. So literally starting in less than a month. The first quarter, this is a broad range of 3 months, but it could be starting in January. Very, very bullish activity. So Randy Marion Automotive Group is one of the largest and most respected commercial vehicle dealer groups in the United States. When RMI is a division of RMA, they're the ones who committed to purchase these 6,000 Class 1 EV cargo vans from Mullen. So to show you what these kind of cargo vans are, if you're not sure, they sell a broad range, Class 1 through 6. They're going to be buying the Class 1. These are the Class 1, very solid stuff, EV vehicles. EV is changing the world. We're going to see EV kind of take over. We're already seeing it. The more and more I drive on streets, the more and more I see other electric vehicles. And Mullen not only offers these incredible commercial vehicles, they also offer this amazing SUV. Looking at all these different things that the company is offering, this is a huge step up and just a huge launch, which could lead to huge gains for investors as long as things do go well. Personally, I do believe in Mullen, and I continue to hold my shares. I think that this is a company that I will continue to buy, especially at these prices. But remember, just because I'm buying a stock, just because somebody's buying a stock, does not mean that you need to go out there and buy. You need to do your own research. You need to make sure that you believe in the company, you believe in the investments, and all of those different things. And let me go ahead and talk to you another catalyst that is going on with Mullen. Stock charges up on Loop EV deal. They have entered into a definitive agreement to build an electric vehicle charging network. Loop is going to offer up to $300 million of financing through its Loop as a Service program to build these chargers. This is huge. Okay, so what these electric vehicle chargers are, they're turnkey chargers. They'll be co-branded by both Loop and by Mullen. A turnkey product is defined as a completed product that is ready to be sold to the buyer. So they will be selling these chargers to the buyers, And Loop will offer up to 300 million financing, as we said, to program and build the chargers. And furthermore, the two companies will join to finance and or own and operate the network through the Loop Impact Fund. Through this service, customers will receive a no capex budget solution for the turnkey installation of these EV chargers at $0 down. This is utilizing a portion of the estimated charging revenue to pay for the upgrades over a fixed term. So, as they make payments on these chargers, they're going to be getting paid. It's going to be a great way for them to finance this company and finance this product and this huge launch, which is definitely bullish information. I mean, as we have seen, a lot of the times, especially with these penny stocks, you will see companies, you will see a lot of investors buy up the rumor and sell the news. One thing I like about Mullen, which seems to be pretty bullish, is it did not end up that way. You usually would see the exact opposite. You would have seen the stock run up, and then this great news would have came out, and then the stock would have sold down. However, the opposite happened for Mullen, and I feel like that is almost a very bullish sign. It speaks more volumes than just catalysts. It speaks almost volumes in the sense that this is a good company, and good news coming out is good news for the company, and the stock price is going up. So I do really like to see that. That's another reason why I like Mullen so much. But remember, be safe with your money, be smart, don't just throw away money. Thank you for watching this video. That is going to wrap it up for this one. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you do not miss out on any of my future content and updates. Thank you again. Check out the links in the description down below for free stocks and free money on Webull, Robinhood, M1 Finance, all that good stuff. And I will see you at the next video.